Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all today? I hope all of you are doing well and we are also doing fantastic. And so today we have come here another place so in order to make videos. So first of all I'm gonna ask Mahmoud some question. So Mahmoud, are you ready for that?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, you were ready for that. Okay.
Yes.
So let's begin our English conversation. So first of all, what's your full name?
Well, my full name is Mahmoud bin Saleh.
Okay, your full name is Mahmoud bin Saleh. What can I
Yes.
call you?
I think you can call me Mahmoud because it's my nickname. So if you feel comfortable, you can.
Okay, at this moment, where we are we?
We are in Peripheral right now
We're
in
in
Bangla.
Peripheral, but
It
I
is
can't
called
see.
Dhanket.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, you can see around us there are huge perifields.
Yeah, you can see.
So actually, farmer they cultivated them like before maybe 10 days, and
Yeah,
it's
of
just
course.
growing.
Yeah.
So we are very happy to be here. To be honest, if I want to express my opinion, I have to say I am very delighted to be here because this is really fantastic view for me, as well as I don't really know what about your feelings. Can you please share?
Yeah, after coming in this place, I can see some natural trees, some natural beauty of this place. The natural beauty of this place is
Yes.
totally incredible, authentic place. I love to travel different types of place like this, but not in Pittyfield. I love to play travel different types of what can I say, old places where people yet travel. I love to travel this type of place. I think when I will travel, inshallah, I will show my audience.
Yeah,
So there is a
inshallah.
thing is after coming in this place, I'm very happy to record video to make conversation with you and to have conversation with you. So
Yeah.
what do you have any question about me from
Okay,
me?
what is this?
This is called cap.
Sure.
Yeah, of course, this is cap. Everyone knows
Actually,
it very well.
wow, very nice. So I think, can you please tell me five sentences about this cap? I will count. Like
Yeah,
one,
of
two,
course, no
three,
problem.
4, 5.
Oh, you can see this is a cap. It's my cap, and I got from my sister this cap. And every day I try to wear different types of cap. Among them, it's my another favorite cap, and especially when I go outside, that time I wear. But at my when I stay at my home, I don't like to wear. So especially another reason also here for wearing cap, my hair is too long, so I don't like to show my hair with in front of different types of people, so that's why I want to protect my hair by wearing cap. So that is a thing.
Wow, amazing. So Limon described amazingly.
Welcome to today's match. We are welcome to
Oh,
today's
yes.
conversation.
Welcome to today's amazing conversation. So you all are welcome because you are watching us amazingly. That is really splendid. So
Remarkable.
yeah. Oh my goodness, what an amazing word.
Splendid.
Remarkable.
What a splendid conversation.
Mesmerizing. Fascinating.
Tremendous, fantastic,
Oh my
fabulous,
Fantastical, right? So
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious,
Oh, new ultra microscopic
Heliplissilification.
Okay, so by the way, take a great challenge with me. So ready?
Yeah, of course, I'm ready for that.
Okay, so let's pronounce a tongue twister like big bug beat.
Big bug beat.
Yeah,
Big
I will
bug
count
beat.
first, then you can count.
No, you can say first.
Okay, big bug beat, 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 big bug big bug beat.
Complete. Okay. Okay. How many times you have said?
Don't remember.
Oh, it's not right,
Okay.
Mahmoud.
Okay.
You can catch mobile phone. It's too
Well.
heavy. I can't. I can't
Well,
carry
okay.
for a long period of time.
Now
Okay.
it's your
Big
turn.
back beat.
Yeah.
This tongue twister. Though I didn't practice yet, so I think it will be so tough for me. But inshallah, I will try my best
Yeah,
to do good performance.
Yeah, when you
Okay.
will start.
Okay, let's begin.
Okay.
Big bug beat, 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 big bug beat. Is it
How many
perfect?
times?
I didn't count.
Oh
I
my
think you are
goodness.
counting. You are like
But
this way.
I'm just showing. Maybe viewers they can
Yeah, of
count
course.
how many
You
times.
have to count and you have to answer the question that who said for a long time. And
Yes.
how many
So
times we have said you have to say?
yeah.
Who will
By the
be
way,
first?
so if you wanna practice, you can, because this is very easy. Like big bug bit. So you can tell me by writing a great comment. You can let me know us actually how many times you can say in a breath. So most probably we can say 20 times in a breath,
Yeah.
because this is very easy. It's a
Yeah,
piece
like
of
this
cake.
way you can get lots of tongue twister from our another videos. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
made lots of videos about tongue twister, how to pronounce word, or to get how to get fluency by practicing tongue twister. You can watch our others videos.
Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.